German retailer wants to calculate the distances between its warehouses and stores. Transportation costs depend on the distance and number of pallets. Therefore, it is very helpful to calculate all distances directly in Excel. The main questions to be answered: how to calculate distances on the street level directly in Excel, how to visualize the relation on a geographical map, how to customize the map according to the retailer's preferences. To answer these questions, we use the Distance Calculation app, a very detailed geographical tool to calculate distances on street level worldwide and visualize results with one click on an interactive map. Alright, to get started, let's import external data. In this sheet, you should list all, from and to addresses, which are relevant for distance calculation. Cells marked with red color are mandatory to fill, while green color ones are optional. Therefore, when importing external data, please make sure that red columns in your table have the same title as in the template. If you fill only country, and keep the other fields empty or delete those columns, the biggest city of a country will be chosen. However, the more information you list, the more accurate the results will be. Now, it is time to jump right into our tool. Welcome to our apps portfolio. Let's go to the Distance Calculation app. If you are not sure what this app is doing, by clicking on this More Info icon, you can find more information about it on our website. Here you can choose to go in with the addresses or latitude and longitude coordinates. Okay, to do calculations, we need to connect this table to our app via this link symbol. Simply select the relevant table and press OK. If you click on this More Info icon, you can get a description of the current app and columns to be filled. Here you can also see which columns are mandatory, recommended or optional. Alright, let's set up the parameters and do the calculation. Awesome. In output data we have all the results. Let's export all to the new sheet. Here, the first 10 rows represent the input data, while the outputs are in the last 3 columns. The distance column represents the road distance, and the B-line column shows the B-line distance. Duration, in this case, is the duration in minutes. Great, let's visualize the results now. Add animations if you like. Looks nice, right? Here you can customize the layers. Hide or unhide the data. Edit each layer, change colors, transparency, size, etc. In settings, you have different map styles: street level map, satellite, light, dark map. Okay, in the left corner, you have shortcuts to different functions. What we have achieved in this session. We calculated distances on the street level directly in Excel. We visualize the relation on a geographical map in just one click. In just a few steps we customize the map according to the retailer's preferences. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.